Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, July 7th, 2026. So let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. So what do we have here? Short-term energy outlook from the USA is scheduled for release at 6 p.m. and this is the only one high important data release that might be very important for the crude oil traders, for example. And that's about today's calendar and high important events. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts and we start with euro dollar. Euro dollar for our time frame chart is still inside of this 1.31% range. As you can see, we are trading roughly around 1.45 and this level here 1.1473 is the technical resistance and the range high. Momentum 51 points, so it's not really something spectacular, let me say. It's just a regular situation with the RSI and we shouldn't expect any movement as long as we trade inside of this zone. To be honest with you guys, I will just place this line here for the top of this. There you go. This is the zone range. So it looks like we have a zone range with a big weakness in the background on the euro dollar. On the British pound, we should have some kind of a movement to the upside, and we have it. As you can see, yesterday we hit this technical resistance and the supply zone 1.3290. 1.3382, and today we broke above it. 1.34 is the highest level here, but please take a look here. We have a high, we have a higher high, there is a high into the extremely overbought conditions and the lower high, so we clearly have a bearish divergence. Yes, that's correct. So it looks like we might have even deeper correction to the downside here coming to the cable. US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Very nice rebound from 160.51 low up towards 162.44 and then reversal lower. I mean reversal, it's more like a pullback lower when the momentum is still at the level of 50. So this situation here now looks kind of interesting for the bulls because they might be ready to move higher yet. Again, swing high is 162.86, but we might see higher levels quite soon. The gold market hits 4,202 and reversed lower. As you can see, we went towards the extremely overbought market conditions, and then obviously we moved lower towards the level of 50, now 51.5 these days. So the question is whether this movement to the upside is just another corrective pullback to the upside, or maybe something bigger. Let's investigate a little bit further. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the price range tool here, and this is 6% of the upside movement. Okay, let me just add one more. This one looks nice for a pullback to the upside. This is 5.24, so that's lower than 6.6. That one should be big, right? So from the lows to the upside, I think this one, no, we should go as that. That's exactly what I've been talking about. This one here, yeah, it's 8.91. So it's 8.91. How much is the last one? How much is the last one? The last one is, to be honest with you guys, 6.55. So it's not the biggest correction to the upside. This is the biggest correction to the upside. It's almost 9%. So as long as we see movement to the upside bigger than, let's say, roughly 9%, the outlook remains bearish. There is no overbalance of price and time, as the gold is still under the pressure. SP500 doesn't do much. We broke above 7,500, local high 7,551, and we are consolidating the recent gains. Possibly the bulls are trying to make some sort of the preparations to break above 7,571 or maybe the all-time high at 7,620. Momentum is strong, is positive, so the bulls are still in charge of this market, and we should see higher levels on S&P 500 quite soon. Crude oil is moving a little bit up ahead of the short-term energy outlook. Local low and swing low 67.04, right now 69.51. So we are very, very close to hit this blue rectangle here. Momentum finally breaks above the level of 50 on a 4-hour time frame chart. Local high 50, almost 7 points. So there is a chance that we are going to test some levels like 71.56 or maybe even 72.49. Nevertheless, in the background there is a massive weakness and massive bearish pressure. So you can see that we are coming off the elevated levels. So that doesn't change much in the global picture. And last but not least, the Bitcoin. As you can see, local high was made here at the level of 64,590. So we definitely retraced 61%. Now we don't need Fibonacci retracement anymore. There was a test of this trend line here, the attempt to break out, but big, massive bullish situation reversed here, revealed our strength of the bulls. So we have a big green candle here to the upside with new local high at 64,590. Right now some kind of a pullback is taking place, but please remember we need to break above 65,623 in order to confirm this is the low. I mean, in order to indicate that this is the low, and to break above 67,292, this level here, to confirm that the low is in place and we might see bigger movement to the upside quite soon. So that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.